Welcome to this interactive session on monopoles and its evolution in India. What are the biggest barriers preventing large-scale adoption of monopole in India today?
It's a mindset. Our
Right.
utilities don't want to change their mindset.
They're
So
fixed on
they want that is tower only. So bureaucratic approaches are there. Secondly, high investment. Right now we are ready with up to 220 kV towers. But if you want to go above 220, so huge investment is required, initial investment. So for that, little encouragement required from government and utilities. So definitely it will help us to go for up to 400 kVs also.
How do you see the role of monopoles evolving in the Indian T&D sector over the next 5 to 10 years?
It's a very interesting question, Amarji. Especially looking into the monopoles, which has been slowly catching up in the T&D sector due to few of the reasons, especially the fast urbanization and also some challenges in the ROW where the space constraints are been seen. The monopoles seems to be a better solution, especially in the T&D sector.
Based on your experience, what have you seen are the key advantages of using monopoles compared to the traditional lattice towers?
The key advantage of using monopole is the footprint, which I said, because the footprint is lesser in monopole. So you have a lesser foundation requirement, and since it is like sort of a plug and play sort of a requirement, so time taken for erection is very less compared to the lattice structures which were used conventionally. It has also an advantage of lower maintenance, and when you go for a ROW also, people seeing a monopole, they will like to see it in front of in their place because it's aesthetically very good to look at. So these are the advantages.
So the main advantages is like there are multiple advantages when due to the urbanization. The cost of land is higher now in the urban areas. So one is the low cost. The cost, the footprint is very low actually.
Do you feel that in India, Indian T&D infrastructure is ready to adopt higher heighted monopoles, 50 meters plus at scale?
Yes, very much. I think we are already having the height of 70 plus lattice towers.
Yeah.
So reaching 50 plus is not 50 to 60 meters is not a very big challenge. It can be done through the mechanized way with the cranes and with the help of double arm gene poles and other things, wherein you have a lot of flexibilities in terms of vertical erection, and even you can erect the entire monopole on the horizontal position and you can lift it vertically also.
If you had to summarize, what is the single biggest reason India should accelerate monopole adoption?
Okay, so the thing is, I can answer it, but there is different answers to this. But the biggest adoption comes down from the fundamental issue of right of way. Because whenever I am interacting with different people or different companies, the single biggest reason of adoption is a right of way. Because these all monopoles are mostly populated or most adopted in city areas, urban and peri-urban areas. So where there is a land costs are so huge and the land acquisition is becoming a challenge.